Hi friends, how are you? Today, let's make a paper cup you can use for real, okay? Alright, let's use a square paper, okay? Let's make a triangle. See? Put this corner to the other corner. Okay, triangle. All right. Then put this side onto this side. Right? Open it. Now you put this pointy part to here. Okay. And here, this pointy thing to here. You get this? And we are almost there, okay? We are almost there. It's like here. Fold down. Now flip over. Fold down the top. It's ready. Let's open. See? It's a cup. And you can pour water in it. And you can drink it. Ta-da! How was it? Did you have fun? I made a pink cup and I used white paper and I drew picture on it. Cheers! Put the water and drink water.